Classic Auto Mall is located in Morgantown, Pennsylvania, 1 hour west of Philadelphia, right off the turnpike. For more information or to view our inventory of more than 1,000 classic and collectible vehicles, visit classicautomall.com. If you'd like to know all of the advantages of buying and selling a car through consignment, the information is available on our website, or you can come in and chat with the professional who can answer all of your questions. It's easy, safe, and convenient, plus we sell worldwide. We're always adding new vehicles to our inventory, so make sure you check out our website, subscribe on YouTube, and follow us on social media for the latest updates.